Hello students, now this is Aditi Kumari from 7th class. She will tell you about the summary, what is a water footprint.
Chapter 3. What is your water footprint? A water footprint helps one understand the amount of water being used at an individual level all the way to a national level and in numerous processes involved in manufacturing and producing our goods and services. This means a water footprint helps us to understand the amount of water used by a separate level all the way to a national level and in numerous processes involved in manufacturing. The manufacturing means making goods in large quantities and producing. The producing means to make our goods and services. Separate person in a day in her offices, schools, home throughout the day. It includes the water used directly, like that from a tap, as well as the water used indirectly, like the water utilized to produce the food one's eat and products she buys, energy she consumes, and even water she saves. This means the directly water from the tap we get, and indirectly we utilize the water to produce foods one eats and the products she buys, the energy she consumes, and even the water.
Now she will continue the part 3rd of the summary.
Chapter 3. Component of water. There are 3 components of water. The first, the blue water. Fresh water in lakes, rivers, aquifers. It refers to the amount of surface and groundwater used to produce products. This includes the water that evaporates from these sources also. It means the blue water is present in lakes, rivers, and aquifers. It is also used to make products. It includes the water that evaporates. The evaporates means changing water into water vapor from these sources also. The green water. Water from rainwater stored in soil. It refers to the amount of rainwater evaporated from the soil. This means the rainwater is present in soil and it directly evaporated from the soil. The grey water. The polluted water. It refers to the volume of water required to remove the pollutants from used water to bring it back to a quality that is acceptable according to prescribed norms. The grey water means the polluted water. It refers to the volume of water required to remove the pollutants. The pollutants means substances that is polluted something, especially air and water, from the used water to bring it back to a quality that is acceptable according to the prescribed. The prescribed means a plan or suggestion for making something happen, for improving it. Norms. Required or agreed standards. How to reduce water footprint? In case of direct footprint, we can do the following things. Install water-saving toilets and showers. Close the tap while brushing your teeth and shaving. Use recycled water in gardens. Harvest rainwater and use it for recharging groundwater